Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka number 2. The blessed Lord said, "Those who, fixing their mind on me, worship me, ever steadfast and endowed with supreme faith, these, in my opinion, are the best in yoga."
Chapter 12, Shloka 2. Shri Bhagavanuvach Maya Veshamano Yemam Nityayukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetaha Te Me Yukta Tamamataha.
Chapter 12, Shloka 2, explaining the path of meditation upon a form representative of the divine. Krishna, the infinite, starts the discourse. The three essential conditions to become a true devotee are: 1. Perfect faith, 2. Ever steadfast in worship, and 3. One's mind totally merged with the concept of the Lord. The different paths are the path of devotion, the path of action, and the path of knowledge to meet the differences in the temperaments of the devotees. These are the different means to the same goal. To each devotee, his path is the easiest. Progress is assured to the intelligent and the careful, even if the paths chosen are different. Fixing the thought on me. Thought is the content of the subtle body. Both the mind and intellect are nothing but thoughts. It is not enough to wander around the concept of the Lord, but you have to actually penetrate, delve into, and merge by dissolving the ego in the ideal perfection which the Lord represents. Ever self-controlled, worship me. Sufficient balance to exercise self-control while worshipping the Lord is necessary. The capacity to bring the mind back from its natural wanderings is self-control. An inward act of attunement with the higher principle to merge with it is actual worship called upasana. With supreme faith, Shraddha is my belief in something I do not know, so that I may come to know what I believe in. It is not blind faith as generally understood. Without Shraddha, a devotee may not succeed. Is self-divinization, even years of practice. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.